dead. And he says, oh my God, I got a suntan. And you say, oh no, Dad, put your shirt back on. And he says, it's a warm winter wonderland. You say, no, no, Dad, it's 35 degrees. And he says, I feel the heat on my pecs and my cheeks. You say, oh no, Dad, put your shirt back on. And he says, it's a warm winter wonderland. And you say, no, no, Dad, it's 35 degrees. And he says, I feel the heat on my pecs and my cheeks. He's a mountain man in a mountain town. He is finding himself, he's getting lost and found. He loves his job, he loves his friends, he loves this place, he hopes it never ends. And you ask, what are you doing, Dan?